In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall games through Steam. So uninstalling Steam games through Steam is a really simple thing to do. The first thing you will need to do is log in to the account that you have got installed games on. So once you have logged in to your Steam account, you can go to the top of the page here and you can now select Library. Once you select Library, as you can see, here is where all of your games will be listed. And the games that are lit up like this are the ones that will be installed. So you can either right click on your game here, or you can find it on the little tile over on this section. So once you have found the game, all you simply need to do is right click. You need to scroll down until manage. And then as you can see at the bottom of this drop down menu, there's an option now to uninstall. If you click on uninstall, you will get this pop up here, just asking you if you are sure that you want to uninstall the game. So what you can do is click on uninstall if you are happy. Once you click on uninstall, as you can see, that game has now been uninstalled from my computer, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.